Hi, this is Brett again with Churchill's Garden Center. We're going to do a few sessions on some products we probably want to start thinking about for our yards, our gardens. The first one is a dormant oil. This is an all-season oil. This can be applied throughout the season, but coming up over the next 2 to 3 weeks as the weather gets warmer, this is a great product to start with our trees and shrubs, especially your fruit trees. This is an oil which will suffocate insect eggs. It'll also suffocate certain spores of leaf diseases which we get in this area, powdery mildew being one of them. This is a first line of defense before the plant starts to leaf out. After it leaves out, we go after other things such as scale, which is an insect that can be quite damaging to certain shrubs. So again, you can apply this probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks. You need a couple of days that do not go below freezing. And this is a organic product, something that's safe and a good start to the spring. Thank you.